My name's Karen Wyatt. I'm an Assistant Curriculum Manager for Construction. I also teach the Level 1 and Level 2 paint and decorating courses. Part of my job role is to not only teach but also to do the NVQ assessments. I've been in industry for about 30 years doing paint and decorating. I started off as an apprentice and worked my way up through some different organisations to site management and then into teaching, and I've been here for about 12 years. The facilities we offer is a bespoke workshop that can facilitate Level 1, Level 2 and Level 3 painting and decorating if we needed to run it. We also run apprenticeships within the group. We do a variety of units for the Level 1, which is classroom and workshop based qualifications. We do a variety of ceilings, walls, woodwork, doors, specialist paint effects, wallpapering. Level 1 is an introduction to painting and decorating, and for some of our learners it will give you a start to go on to an apprenticeship at the end of the first year. Some of our learners come in brand new and they are apprentices when they come in. Some of the employers that we work with are quite happy to come in and do interviews. They come in and have a look at our learners that are current full-timers with a view to taking them on as an apprentice at the end of the first academic year. From then on they can turn on to an apprentice, which is a 2-year programme in industry where they go out and they'll spend all week with an employer, 1 day a week in college to undertake their EPA standard apprenticeship.
My name's Erica Farrell. I'm on Level 1 painting and decorating. I chose the course with the plan to go on to do a Level 3 set design at Dartford. What I like about the course is that I like the experience. We do lots of group projects as well as individual work. We get to do creative work such as stuff like this, and it also practices our skills and also teaches us how to improve our skills. I chose college mainly for the aspect of it's more hands-on, it's more creative. I don't do very good in a classroom setting, and this is, honestly, I've only been here for 6 weeks and it's been 10 times better than school. We start off with a little bit of brush skills, so some of our full-time first years will come in, they'll learn how to use a brush. Currently they're looking at setting out designs on walls, which can then lead on to competition work that we do either in-house to start with, then amongst other colleges, and eventually they can go on to do national competitions for specific paint supplier trophies. We are quite keen on entering students into competitions. It develops their skills, shows other colleges what our learners can do, and it also shows some employers of some of the skills that our learners have developed and why they should come to North Kent College. So within the paint and decorating course, they obviously come and do the practical and the theory elements, but alongside that they'll do their maths and English and employability skills. We work closely with our employability team to try and get industry work placements so they can go out and do work experience, get an idea of what industry's like generally. Some learners will go out and find it's not actually really what they want to do. Some learners will go out and think they love it. So it gives them an insight into, before they leave college, what they really want to look at regarding college and how they want to progress and where they want to progress to. Be prepared for hard work. It's very laborious. It's very repetitive. You've got to do the same stuff over and over again, but it's also really enjoyable.
So if you wish to apply for a paint and decorating course, you can fill out the application on the website. That will come through. We're quite happy to have a chat with you if you want some more information on the course. A lot of the course, as I said, is hands-on skills, although there is some theory involved as well, so you need to be aware of what you're taking on, and that's why we're quite happy to have a chat with you. We'll then have an interview, and then we can look forward to having you come in to enrol for September next year.